AT for the Kitchen Show and Tell with AT Chatter Melanie, atchat.com.au. Melanie, seated in her powered wheelchair, holds one of her sticks. She moves into the kitchen and shows us how she uses it to heat her meal in a microwave.
Hello, my name's Melanie and I live in Western Australia. I made a stick. Due to my physical disability, I can't do a lot with my hands and my fingers due to deformities and strength issues. I bought one that I can use the microwave with. So I'm going to put my dinner in the microwave using my stick. I can turn on the power point with my long stick. And then I pick up my short microwave stick that I keep here. This one I keep clean for kitchen jobs. Push the button to open it. I can push the buttons on my chair. I raise my chair up to the right level. I can drive in. Push it in with my short stick. Change the lid to sideways. Show it with my short stick and press the button.
AT Chat is funded by the Australian Government Department of Social Services. AT Chat logo, bringing assistive technology to life. atchat.com.au